Hello and welcome to the final match in the quarterfinals of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mannings Hill Primary from St. Andrew up against Portsmouth Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Portsmouth Primary won. They decided to have Mannings Hill Primary play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We'll have that time on our clock as we begin with you, Mannings Hill Primary, in Bible knowledge. What was the last plague on Egypt in the time of Moses?
Death of firstborn.
Death of firstborn.
That is correct. Portsmouth Bible knowledge. To which land did Moses flee after he killed an Egyptian while living in Pharaoh's house?
Land of the Midianites.
Land of the Midianites.
Or Midian, that is correct. Mannings Hill, science. The tarsal is the scientific name given to the bones found in which specific part of the human body?
The ankle.
The ankle.
That's right. Portsmouth science. What's another name given to the tibia?
Ankle bone.
That's incorrect. It's the shin bone. Mannings Hill International Affairs visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Honduras. Honduras.
That's correct. Portsmouth International Affairs visual again. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Singapore. Singapore.
That is correct. Mannings Hill English language. Spell the pair of homonyms, which means a flat blade used to row a boat and a naturally occurring solid material from which a metal can be extracted.
OAR and ORE.
That is correct. Or Portsmouth English language. Spell the pair of homonyms, which means to use the teeth to cut into something to eat it, and a unit of memory size for a computer.
TEAR and TARE.
That's incorrect. It's bite and bite. BITE and BYTE. Mannings Hill Theatre and Cinema. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Taylor.
That's incorrect. He's Vincent Martello. Portsmouth Theatre and Cinema visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Christopher Martin.
That's incorrect. It's Tikon Richmond. General knowledge for you, Mannings Hill. On which continent can you find the Parana River?
South America.
That is correct. Portsmouth general knowledge. On which continent can you find the Indus River?
Asia.
That is correct. Mannings Hill social studies. Who was the 8th Prime Minister of Jamaica?
Portia Simpson Miller.
That's incorrect. It's Bruce Golding. Portsmouth social studies. Who was the 3rd Prime Minister of Jamaica?
Ushera.
That is correct. Mannings Hill music. Prince Ali is a song from which 1992 animated Disney film?
The Princess and the Frog.
That's incorrect. It's Aladdin. Portsmouth music. Almost There is a song from which 2009 animated Disney film?
Princess and the Frog.
That is correct. Mannings Hill mathematics. What's the sum of 4.56, 18.36, and 0.28?
23.2.
That is correct. Portsmouth mathematics for you. What's the sum of 7.63, 16.25, and 0.018?
23.898.
That is correct. And that bell signifies the end of section 1 with both Mannings Hill Primary and Portsmouth Primary on 6 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is a checklist is a great way to ensure you stay on task by listing your tasks and checking them off one by one as they are completed. It also gives you a sense of accomplishment to tick off tasks when completed. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next. Stay with us.